Karim, we need to talk. The Golden Gate channel must stay open. Every single day, millions of barrels of oil pass through that channel. If you block it, the whole world will go into darkness. Prices will go up. People will suffer. Is that what you want?
Alex, do not lecture me about the world. The Golden Gate Channel is in our backyard. It is our water. Our land is right there. You sit thousands of miles away and you tell us what to do. That is not fair, and you know it.
Karim, I'm not here to fight. But I must be honest. Our satellites have seen new activity near your nuclear sites. New machines, new construction. What is going on? The world deserves an answer.
You want an answer? Fine. We are building power plants. Our people need electricity. Our hospitals need power. Our schools need light. Is that a crime now? Because Nolan does it, it is okay. But when Solaria does it, suddenly it is a problem. Tell me why, Alex.
Karim, you know the difference. Power plants are one thing. But enriching uranium to 90% is not for electricity. That is weapons grade. And you know that. Stop playing games.
And your country has thousands of nuclear weapons sitting in bunkers right now. Nobody questions you. Nobody puts sanctions on you. The rules are different for us. Always have been. Always will be. Until we stand up.
Standing up is fine, but pointing a weapon at the world is not standing up. That is a threat. And threats have consequences, Karim. I do not want to go down that road. I genuinely do not. But my hands will not stay tied forever.
Then untie them, Alex. Come and try. We have been through war. We have been through sanctions for 30 years. Our economy was crushed. Our children suffered. And yet here we are. Still standing. Still talking. What does that tell you about Solaria?
It tells me your people are strong, truly strong, and that is exactly why I want a deal. Not war, a deal. Remove the nuclear weapons program. Open the Golden Gate channel fully. And I promise you, sanctions gone, trade open, investment coming into Solaria. Your economy will grow. Your people will prosper. Is that not better than threats?
Alex, every time we made a deal in the past, your country walked away. You broke the deal first. Not us. You. So why should we trust you now? Give me one good reason. Just one.
Because this time, the whole world is watching. Every country, every leader, every news channel. If I break this deal, I lose everything. My reputation, my legacy, my country's respect in the world. I cannot afford to break this deal, and you know it.
Interesting. For the first time, you sound like a man who needs this deal more than I do. Maybe the power is shifting, Alex. Maybe Solaria has more cards than you think, but fine. I will talk to my people. I will talk to my advisors. But remember this, we will never sign anything that takes away our dignity. Never.
And I would never ask you to. Dignity is not on the table. Only weapons are. Think about it, Karim. For your people, for your children, for Solaria's future.
And you think about this, Alex. Peace is a two-way road. You cannot drive on only one side. If Nolan wants peace, Nolan must also give something. That is how real deals work. Not pressure, not threats, respect, equality. That is the only language Solaria understands.